Huge news out of Washington today. The Supreme Court ruled against the Trump administration, which was trying to end DACA. That's the policy that allows non-citizens who were brought to the U.S. illegally as children to apply for protection from deportation. News 4's Alexandria Adams spoke with a local organization about that outcome and why they're saying now this is quite a victory.
Yeah, Lauren, the organization Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition says that this was an unexpected victory that they had today. They say this decision is going to positively impact thousands of dreamers across the volunteer state.
It's a huge win for us who are DACA recipients, and for the almost 8,000 DACA recipients across the state.
In a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court ruled that the president's administration failed to give an adequate justification for ending DACA. The program allows teens and young adults brought to the U.S. as kids who lack legal status the chance to work and study without being deported. Jasmine Ramirez is the community organizer for Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition. She says this decision was vital to so many.
The program will get to go back to its original form like it was in 2012, which means that first-time applicants will get to apply. People who turned 15 when President Trump terminated the program in 2017 and weren't able to apply will now get to apply for the first time.
The president is not pleased with the Supreme Court's decision, taking to Twitter saying, quote, "As President of the United States, I am asking for a legal solution on DACA, not a political one, consistent with the rule of law. The Supreme Court is not willing to give us one, so now we have to start this process all over again." Ramirez says DACA will allow dreamers to continue their dreams and help their families and the communities they are a part of.
We get to keep our work permits and that we get to contribute back to our communities. A lot of DACA recipients in the state are currently at the front lines working through all this COVID pandemic with about 2,000 DACA recipients across the state. So it is even more important now that we get to stay and that we get to celebrate this victory.
But she says their work is not over yet.
Tomorrow we continue to organize and push for something that's a permanent solution, not only for us, but for all the 11 million undocumented people in this country.
Reporting for News 4 Nashville, I'm Alexandria Adams.